Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be going through my entire closet and I have a goal in mind. I'm only going to keep 100 pieces of clothes in that closet and just in my room in general. With this 100 goal in mind, I thought it would be quite lenient towards allowing me to keep the pieces I really love, yet it is a little harsh on me in order to throw out all my 8th grade jeans and 8th grade tops and stuff from 2014 that is really not in style anymore and will not be in style for a long time, probably. So let's just hop right in. Day 1.
Here's my closet before. As you can see, the floor is an absolute mess. Everything's just disorganized and I don't have a spot for some of my clothes. So I'm hoping with the 100 limit, I'll have a spot for everything in my closet. We have come across my pride and joy, the Gibby shirt. This is definitely staying.
You already knew though, I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day?
Today I found out that a lot of clothes can fit into my closet. I actually am visualizing how many clothes I have for the first time, and I think it will really help me declutter, as I know when looking at the closet it didn't seem like many clothes, but with this different perspective I'm hoping it will really sort of awaken me with I don't need this much clothes. This is a little overwhelming, so I took some pieces that I knew for sure that I didn't want to keep, and then I put my 10 all-time favorites back into my closet.
Nothing really happened day 2, although I did get around 40 more pieces in my closet. I did find this cute long dress that I'm thinking I might be able to sew and hem so it's a shorter length, but I'll see if I have time for the project. I also did some laundry.
Today is day 3 of organizing my closet. I'm hoping that this is the final day, as it should have been done in one day, but I know I had work and other responsibilities that I did have to deal with, so I'm hoping that it will be done and then I can move on to actually just remodeling my entire room. After everything is in my closet, I'm going to be showing you some of the cutest pieces that I like, and if you haven't watched my favorite thrifts, I'm going to leave out my favorite pieces that were also in that video, but if you do want to see those, I'll try and put a link in the description. I already have like 78 clothes I could count in here, and I still have a bunch in the washer, so I'm a little scared that I'll have to choose between some pieces that I really like and unfortunately declutter a little too much, but we'll see, because hopefully that does not have to happen.
You safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that ain't never.
Okay, it's official. 100 pieces of clothing is in my closet, and I know now I have to start like swapping things out if I really like an item. For example, I see some shorts over there, so I'm going to be switching out this sort of blouse thing. I honestly haven't really worn it much, and I feel like it might be a little outdated at this point, so I'm just going to swap it in for the shorts. And there we have it, a 100-piece closet. I like this one because I got it on vacation for one, and it's just a super simple, easy summer outfit. I can just throw it on and leave if I'm grabbing groceries or grabbing gas or just heading to work. And it has pockets, which are always a bonus. This one might have to be wrinkled out a little bit, but it is a very light pink one-piece bodysuit. I really like it. I know I once wore it for handing in some resumes, and it's a really fashionable work outfit, and I really like it, although it can be really hard to get in and out of. I know I got this suit jacket things when I was trying to go as a Heather for Halloween. So, and I really like it. I feel like I am wanting to keep it in my closet because I think it will be really good for a professional career later on, and just any office job. I got this one a while ago, but it's really nice for the cottagecore theme going on and that cottagecore aesthetic. So it's really nice going out on the porch at like 8 a.m. like freshly woken up with this, flowy, reading a book, and it's just, yeah, it's really nice, and I like to keep it especially for just that feeling of cottagecore. And this actually counts as 2 separate pieces, but I do have a pajama set. This has some anchors on the pajama shorts, and then if you go onto the pajama top, it says drifting off to sleep. I'm trying to really limit all my pajamas because I frankly feel like I don't need that much besides just 1 or 2 pairs. So this is definitely a pair I'm going to keep.
Here is the final reveal of my closet. You can actually see the floor this time, and everything just looks a lot more organized. Perhaps that's because I took everything out and rehung it, but I'm hoping that it will stay this way for at least a little bit.
If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you like my content, you can always subscribe, and I hope to see you next time, because next video I'm hopefully going to be remodeling my entire room. I know the background is a little boring, so I'm hoping I'll revamp it by moving some furniture, and I'm excited to see the outcome for that. See you next time.
'Cause